Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Toyota Highlander door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before beginning any work. Next, locate the small plastic cover behind the interior door handle and gently pry it off to reveal a screw. Remove this screw and set it aside. Now, let's find some hidden fasteners. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry up the power window switch panel. Once it's loose, disconnect all the electrical connectors attached to the back of the panel. With the switch panel removed, you will see two screws underneath. Remove these screws and keep them safe for reassembly. With all visible screws removed, it's time to detach the main panel. Carefully locate any other screws around the perimeter of the door panel, often near the bottom or sides, and remove them. Then, using your trim removal tool, gently begin prying the door panel away from the door frame. Work your way around the entire edge, releasing all the plastic clips holding it in place. Before completely removing the panel, you'll need to disconnect any remaining electrical connectors, such as those for the door light and the door handle cable. Once everything is unclipped and unplugged, carefully lift the entire door panel up and away from the door. Reassembly is the reverse of these steps. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.